I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese baklava. First, ensure your phyllo dough is thawed and ready to use. Melt 1 cup of unsalted butter, which you'll use generously between the phyllo layers. For the filling, you'll need about 1½ pounds of a sweet cheese, like ricotta, along with 1 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to create that delicious, creamy center. Now let's prepare the star of our baklava, the cheese filling. In a large bowl, combine your 1½ pounds of sweet cheese with 1 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until you have a smooth, uniform mixture. This creamy filling will provide a delightful contrast to the crispy phyllo. Also, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's time to assemble your baklava. Lightly brush a 9 by 13-inch baking pan with some of your melted butter. Carefully lay half of your phyllo sheets into the pan, brushing each individual sheet generously with butter before adding the next. Once half the phyllo is down, spread your prepared cheese filling evenly over the layers. Then, cover the filling with the remaining phyllo sheets, again brushing each one with butter. Bake your baklava in the preheated oven for 45 to 55 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and crispy. While it bakes, prepare a simple syrup by simmering 2 cups of sugar with 1 cup of water until the sugar dissolves. As soon as the baklava comes out of the oven, immediately pour the warm syrup evenly over the hot pastry. Let it cool completely to allow the flavors to meld.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.